Hello, everyone. Ben Rabizadeh, founder of StoryTrading.com over here. I'm doing a quick informal presentation to give an update on the 2 VIP picks that I have that are open. So let me just show you where you can, this is going to be on DarioHealth, DRIO, and Waitr Holdings, WTRH. So actually, let me share my screen with you so I can show you where you can follow VIP picks. So go to StoryTrading.com, click on performance. You can see all the VIP picks here. Our VIP members get access to the presentations for 7 days exclusively, and then we publish the results here. So these VIP picks are for members of the community, guest presenters. I've made three VIP picks in the past. DarioHealth here on August 2nd at $12.40. Waitr Holdings May 25th at $2.34. And my size, which I've closed down 32% when I closed it. So those are my VIP picks. These are all open. We do reach out and ping previous presenters to remind them if they want to close a pick to let us know. For right now, I am going to give you an update on these two because they remain open. So, all right, let me turn off my screen share for a second. So big picture, positive on Dario, negative on Waitr Holdings, but I'm keeping both of them open. Let me start with the bad first. Waitr Holdings, I was long not only common shares, but calls. When I do calls, I do mostly in the money, deep in the money, so it's not as risky, but still turned out to be a losing bet for me. I was playing earnings and the Deutsche Bank conference today. I think revenue was a miss, came in lighter than I had wanted. But what really concerns me is the commentary. Every time there's some sort of miss, they blame it on weather, right? And I don't know, something about that doesn't sit well with me. To me, I think like food delivery, one of the reasons you'd want to get delivery is, hey, there's bad weather. Now I understand when they say weather, that may be talking about such extreme weather that drivers can't get out there. But you know, if there's a tropical storm or something and travel isn't banned, you know, wouldn't you want some waiter drivers out there if they're legally allowed to be out there to deliver for you? I don't know. So something about that excuse doesn't resonate with me. So, but it's still a cheap valuation. A little concerned about lack of sequential growth. So I've sold off all of my call options. I've sold some of my core position because it was a very large position for me, but I still maintain a nice size position in Waitr Holdings. Also a little bit disappointed in that there was a big PR blitz starting last week, and perhaps it was to, you know, put a bow tie or kind of cover up something, a quarter that otherwise wouldn't have been great. So for those reasons, I've took off all the risk with call options on Waitr Holdings and reduced my core position, but it's still a VIP pick. I'm still up on it. I recommended it like $2.30 or something. So my Waitr Holdings pick is still open. Now, DarioHealth, much different story. This is the most exciting small cap company. It was a small cap. I mean, it's getting into over $500 million fully diluted now, but this is the most exciting small cap company I've ever invested in. I encourage you to listen to the conference call. There are so many nuggets. I cannot possibly share all of them with you. I have some notes. I'm going to share some of the highlights with you. Let me just tell you right off the bat, I increased my position this morning. But I also did reduce in the 25 to 30 range. I originally got in at 7. I scaled up as the price was going up, and I sold about half of my shares between 25 and 30. I've been buying back here between $20 and $22. So here we go with some of the notes. Some of the things, first of all, you know, they started off the call really qualitatively talking about their strategy of being a multi-condition platform. And they gave a really, really nice vision for the company. So I again encourage you to go listen to that conference call and hear what they have to say about multi-condition and the cross-selling opportunities and the synergies between, they started with diabetes, now hypertension, and now MSK with the Upright acquisition. So take a look at all of that. But a few important nuggets that made me really excited for even the short-term price action here is, first of all the previously announced deals were launched in Q1. So that's good news in terms of the integration time and just their execution. I like seeing that. And not only that, but over a 30% enrollment rate within the first 30 days. And that, triangulating that with the ACK rankings, rings true. I've been monitoring ACK rankings and they've been going up since mid-February, pretty significantly. So that's exciting to hear. They give indications that Q1 is really going to be the quarter you see revenue start growing significantly. So all that very good. And one of the other many nuggets, I'm just going to throw out one additional nugget out here that I found really incredible. The pipeline of $600 million, now over 600, right? Every time they give an update, like every month it goes up by another 100 million. So now they're over $600 million in the pipeline. So they're guiding to close 20% of that business on an annual basis. That's huge already right there. But what's even bigger is this 600 million is based on 10% of customers signing up, because that's addressable market for diabetes. But they said hypertension, when you add on hypertension, it takes you to 20 to 25%. When you add on MSK, it takes you to 40%. I think MSK is going to be launching the B2B part of their business second half July. So, I mean, that's huge. I don't know if I'm even doing the math right, but 600 million at 10%, once you're cross-selling hypertension and MSK with Upright, we're talking about a $2.4 billion pipeline. I don't know. Even if it's 600 million, this thing is off the hook. I mean, I have growing confidence that this is going to follow the trajectory of Livongo, and it's going to become a multi-billion-dollar company and will be bought out if that's what they desire to do, if they want to be bought out. So very excited about Dario. I'm very bullish on it. I'm maybe looking to add even more. I think it's around a 10% position for me, but I may be willing to go to 15 to 20% at the right price, and if I can free up cash from other investments. So that's a story with Dario. Positive again, positive on Dario, negative on Waitr Holdings. Still VIP picks on both of them. So again, you can track the VIP pick performances at StoryTrading.com. We have lots of events and other things going on. So hop on over to StoryTrading. We have a free event tomorrow, Wednesday, March 10th, on portfolio management with guest presenter Mark Gomes. So check that out. That's it. Just a quick informal update, everyone. Good luck.